In this video, we'll show you how to replace the maintenance cartridge on your LG-P800 Label Printer. A few important notes before we begin. Do not remove the maintenance cartridge, except to replace it. Ink may leak out. Ink adheres to the top of the maintenance cartridge after it has been used. Handle the maintenance cartridge carefully during replacement. To prevent ink from leaking from a used maintenance cartridge, avoid dropping the cartridge or storing it at an angle. Dispose of the used maintenance cartridge according to the local regulations. Let's get started. If you encounter this error screen while printing, it's time to replace the maintenance cartridge. Select Stop, and then select Yes to cancel the current process to take you back to the home screen. You will see a yellow New Notice warning at the top of the home screen. It is good practice to always check the New Notice warning first before starting a new print job to prevent stoppages or delays. In this case, when we select the yellow New Notice warning, it tells us that the maintenance cartridge is almost full. If this is your first time seeing this warning in the notice list, make sure to have a replacement maintenance cartridge ready or prepared. Since we encountered the error screen earlier instructing us to replace the maintenance cartridge, we'll go ahead and do it now. Select "The maintenance cartridge is almost full" in the notice list to go to the maintenance cartridge info section. You can also go to this section of the menu by selecting the setup icon on the home screen. Then choose Maintenance. Use the down arrow until you find Maintenance Cartridge Info, and then select it from the list. Select Replace. Review the information on the screen before proceeding. Remove the plastic bag and the new maintenance cartridge from the box. Carefully remove the used maintenance cartridge from the printer, keeping it level as you pull it out. Put the used maintenance cartridge in the supplied plastic bag and store on a flat surface. Insert the new maintenance cartridge until it stops. Select OK on the screen to complete the maintenance cartridge replacement. The new notice warning is now cleared from the top of the home screen. Congratulations! This completes the maintenance cartridge replacement for your Canon LG-P800 Label Printer. For more how-to videos, please visit our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.